Barangay Management, Janelle May Gabriel, Engineer Vic Kenan Kahurao, Luciana Bernardo. Area Improvement and Cleanliness, Teresita Negrillo, JC Joshua Ong, and Raniel Recto. Processional Marshalling, Vicente Santos Jr. and Mr. Clark Topacio.
Accompanying the next image are the devotees from San Mateo, Rizal. The next image, we would like to acknowledge the support of the parish priest and shrine rector, Reverend Father Rick Eguia, represented by Reverend Father Mark Anthony Ramos, the parish priest of St. Raphael the Archangel Parish of Montalban, Rizal. The participation is organized by the Aranzazu Shrine Ministry, headed by Brother Christian Robles, together with the Cofradia de Nuestra Senora de Aranzazu, Knights of Our Lady of Aranzazu, and other committees. The Parish Pastoral Council, ministries, organizations, and all the devotees and parishioners of San Mateo, Rizal. The image is also accompanied by Los Estudiantes Band and Rizal musicians. We would also like to acknowledge the Mayor of San Mateo, Rizal, Honorable Bartolome Rivera, and the Sangguniang Bayan Vice Mayor Jenny Rojas. We will also be seeing the Kakanin Dancers and the Hiyas ng Kakanin 2024, representing their annual Kakanin Festival every September 9 in honor of the next image. Thank you to the Kakanin Dancers from San Mateo, Rizal. At this point, we would like to acknowledge His Excellency, Most Reverend Charles John Brown, Apostolic Nuncio to the Philippines, and the Secretariat of the Apostolic Nunciature, Manila, Philippines. His Eminence Jose Cardinal Advinculat, Archbishop, Diocese of Manila, and also the Chancery of the Archdiocese of Manila in Intramuros, Manila. And of course, Reverend Monsignor Rolando R. de la Cruz, Director of the Manila Metropolitan Cathedral. Also, the Vice Rector of Manila Metropolitan Cathedral, Reverend Monsignor Reverend Father Riel Bautista. Also, we'd like to acknowledge the volunteer group from Baliwag, Bulacan, the Bread of Love volunteer group. BL, maraming salamat. Estudiantes Band, and the musicians of Rizal Province. Appeared to a young shepherd, Rodrigo de Balsapelli, in the mountains of Alonia in Oñate, Spain. She is depicted standing on a thorn bush with a bell hanging on one of its branches. The apple she holds symbolizes Mary as the new Eve. In the Philippines, the devotion to Nuestra Senora de Aranzazu started when a Jesuit priest brought the image to San Mateo Rizal in the year 1716. Since then, numerous miracles have been recorded, and the Virgin was declared as the principal patroness of the whole town of San Mateo Rizal. A large confraternity was established at the Colegio de San Juan de Letran in Intramuros in 1834, devoted to the patroness against calamities as well as the patroness of educators and students. Pope Francis approved the canonical coronation of the image on June 17, 2016. It was crowned by Cotabato Archbishop Orlando Beltran Quevedo on May 31, 2017. Nuestra Señora de Aranzazu.
Ipanalangin mo kami.
Maraming salamat po sa mga taga San Mateo Rizal. Mula sa Diocese of Antipolo.
Hindi ko rin pa naabot. Ano yan? Try pa? Nuestra Señora del Pilar de Lipmana.